In this video, let's join sentences and talk about connectors. Connectors are words used to join two or more sentences or two words within the same sentence. It joins parts of a message and establishes a logical relationship between sentences. It allows proper bonding of the statements in a text. Now let's see some types of connectors. When we want to express a logical sequential order, we can use first, secondly, thirdly, next, last, finally, in addition, furthermore, also, and presently. For example, the food was terrible. In addition, I didn't enjoy the company. To show contrast, we can use however, on the other hand, on the contrary, by or in comparison, and in contrast. For example, I love Mexican food. However, I don't like spicy food. To make a comparison, we use similarly, likewise, and also. For example, I love the hot weather. Similarly, I love summer. If we want to show order of importance, we use most, more importantly, most significantly, above all, primarily, it is essential, essentially. For example, the movie was terrible. Above all, the actor couldn't act. To reveal a result, we use as a result, as a consequence, therefore, thus, consequently, and hence. For example, I ate a lot last night. As a result, I gained 3 pounds. When we want to give a reason, we use the cause of and the reason for. For example, I'm failing my math class. The reason for this is that I don't study. Before putting the sentence connectors, you usually need a period, a semicolon, or a colon. And remember, it has to be 2 complete sentences.